Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is mixture and irrigation. Mixture and irrigation is the most important topic for all aptitude exam. 3 equal glass of 3 liters, 4 liters and 5 liters contain mixture of milk and water in the ratio 2:3, 3:7 and 4:11 respectively. The contents of all the 3 glasses are poured into a single glass vessel. Find out the ratio of milk and water in the resultant mix. There are 3 glasses. One glass capacity is 3 liter, second glass capacity is 4 liter and third glass capacity is 5 liter. And in first glass mixture of milk and water is 2:3, second glass 3:7 and third glass 4:11. After mixing, our target to find what is the ratio of milk and water. So now see here, milk and water ratio in first glass 2:3, right? In second glass 3:7 and third glass 4:11. Now see here, 2 plus 3, milk is 2 part and water is 3 part in your first glass, so total part is 5 part, right? In a second glass 3 part is milk, 7 part is water, so total part is 10 part. 4 part is milk and 11 part is water, so total part is 15. Now see here, these are not same. If these are not same, make them same, right? So for making same, take LCM. LCM will be 30, right? 5 goes 6 times, so multiply with 6 whole ratio, and 10 goes 3 times of 30, so multiply with 3. Now 15 goes 2 times, so multiply with whole ratio with 2. And capacity of first vessel 2, second vessel 3 and 4 vessel, 1 minute, first vessel 3 and second vessel 4 and third vessel 5. So 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 3. Now no any more cancellation here. So 3 into 3 is 9, 9 2 ja 18. In first glass 18 milk, water is 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, right? Now second glass 3 into 2 is 6, 6 3 ja 18, ratio 6 7 ja 42, right? Now see here, 5 4 ja 20, ratio 5 11 ja 55. Now add them. This will be milk and water new ratio. 7 to 9, 9 5 14, 2 4 6, 6 5 11 and 1 12, right? 5 4 9, 9 to 11, 11 and 1 12, 8 8 16, right? 1 1 2, 2 2 4, 4 and 1 5. So new ratio is 56:124. Now see here friends, in first vessel milk and water ratio is 2:3 and total part is 5. 2 is milk and 3 is water, so total part is 5. In second vessel milk is 3 and water is 7, so total part is 10. Milk is in third vessel 4 part and water is in third vessel 11 part, so total part is 15. So we have to make them same if part are not same, right? Now see here, in first vessel 5 part, second vessel 10 part and third vessel 15 part. So take LCM for making same. LCM will be 30, so 5 goes 6 times, multiply with 6, 10 goes 3 times, so multiply with 3, and 15 goes 2 times, so multiply with 2. And glass capacity first 3, second 4 and third 5. Now 2 2 ja 4, and 3 is 6, right? Now we have 3 into 3, 9. 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. 3 into 3, 9, 9 3 is 27. Now 2 into 3, 6, 6 3 is 18. 6 7 is 42. Similarly, 5 4 is 20 and 5 11 is 55. Now add them. So 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 is carry. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11 and 1 12. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6, 1 is carry. 1 and 1 2, 2 2 4 and 1 5. So new ratio is 56 is to 124. 3 contents whose volume are in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 4 are full of mixture of milk and water. In the first container, the ratio of milk and water is 4 is to 1, and in second is 11 is to 4, and in third is 7 is to 3. All the 3 mixture are mixed in a big container. The ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture is. There are 3 glasses. Milk and water ratio in first glass. Milk and water in first glass ratio is 4 is to 1, and second 11 is to 4, and third 7 is to 3, and capacity is 2 is to 3 is to 4. First capacity is 2, second capacity is 3, and third capacity is 4. Now see here, milk is 4 part, water is 1 part, so total part is 5 part. Milk is 11 part, water is 4 part, so total part is 15 part, right? Milk is 7 part, water is 3 part, so total part is 10. Again take LCM if part are not same. LCM will be 30. So 5 goes 6 times, so multiply with 6. 15 goes 2 times, so multiply with 2. 10 goes 3 times, so multiply with 3. Now see here. 2 and 2 cancel and 2 2 is 4. Now see here, 3 and 3 cancel and 3 2 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 1 is 2. Right? There are no any. So there are 1 and 1. So direct write them. 11 is to 4. 11 is to 4 is equal to here only 2. 2 7 is 14. Is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. Now add them. 2 and 4 6 and 6 12. Right? 8 1 9, 9 4 13. Carry 1. 1 1 2 and 1 3. So new ratio is 33. So 3 4 is 12 and 3 11 is 33. So new ratio is 11 is to 4. Milk and water new ratio is 11 is to 4. See here friends, there are 3 glass. 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass, and capacity of 1 glass is 2, right? And second glass is 3, and third glass is 4. Milk is 4 part, water is 1 part, so total part in your first glass 5 part. Milk is 11 part, water is 4 part, so total part is 15 part in second glass. Milk is 7 part and water is 3 part, so total part is 10 part in your third glass. See here, 5 15 10, these are not same, so first of all make them same. So LCM will be 30. 5 goes 6 times, so multiply with 6. 15 goes 2 times, so multiply with 2. 10 goes 3 times, 10 3 is 30, so multiply with 3. Now see here, here is 4, here is 2, and here is 2, so 2 and 2 cancel and 2 2 is 4. Now 3 3 cancel and 3 2 is 6. Now only 2. 2 4 is 8 and 2 1 is 2. Now there are no any number, so direct write them. 11:4, 11:4, right? Only 2 here, so 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6. Now add them. 2 4 6 6 6 12, right? 8 1 9 9 4 13, right? So 1 1 2 and carry 1 was, so it is 3. So 33:12. So now short form 3 4 ja 12 and 3 11 ja 33. So mixture is 11:4 of milk and water. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So thanks for watching this video.